Ever wondered why computing modes in a histogram can be such a tricky business? Well, today we're going to unravel the mystery behind this process by delving into the mean shift algorithm. This non-parametric technique is a gem in the field of data science and is particularly useful when it comes to finding the peaks of a given histogram. One aspect that makes the mean shift algorithm stand out is its foundation in robust statistics. This means it remains unaffected by small changes in the dataset, making it a reliable tool in data analysis. So how does the mean shift algorithm work? Well, it all starts with choosing a window size. This is a crucial step, as the window size will determine the range of data points which the algorithm will consider for its computations. Next, decide on the initial location of the search window. This is where the algorithm begins its quest for the mode. After setting the initial location, compute the mean location within the search window. This is done by taking into account all the data points within the window and calculating their average. Once the mean location is computed, center the window at this location. This step is key because it shifts the focus of the algorithm to where the data is most dense. From here, it's a matter of repeating the process of computing the mean location and centering the window until convergence. That is, until the mean location stops changing significantly. When that happens, congratulations, you've found a mode. But what if there are multiple modes? This is where the updated mean shift procedure comes in. Start by finding all modes using the simple mean shift procedure. Then prune modes by perturbing them. This involves finding saddle points and plateaus, which are essentially points in the data where the mode is not the highest. Finally, prune nearby modes. How? Simply by taking the highest mode in the window. This ensures that the most prominent mode is selected. But what happens if we reach a saddle point? In such a case, perturb the mode position and check if we return back. If we do, it's a clear indication that we've found a mode. In summary, the mean shift algorithm is a powerful tool that aids in finding the peaks of a histogram. It is robust, reliable, and relatively simple to implement. Its applications are wide-ranging and can be seen in fields such as image processing, clustering, and many others where mode detection is crucial. So, next time you're faced with a histogram and the daunting task of finding its modes, remember the mean shift algorithm. It's your secret weapon in data analysis.